Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I will show you two different ways to make a typical pina colada. One will be using a blender and the other version will be a shaked version. Since sometimes I struggle if I need to deliver too much information regarding the history of the drink or something that needs to be mentioned, today I will try to be brief. And if you want to know more about the drink, just check the description. The pina colada, some sources says, has been created or invented around 1922, and other sources says it's been created in 1952. So regardless of the date, it's still a very popular and refreshing drink. So let's start first with the shaken one. For the shaken version, we're gonna need a shaker. And the ingredients are coconut cream, pineapple juice and white rum. However, I don't have a coconut cream today, I have a coconut milk. That's why I will add also some simple syrup or 1-to-1 sugar syrup in order to balance better the drink. The ingredients are very simple and they kind of double themselves. So let's start with the 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of white rum. And then we need 90 ml of coconut cream. Just hope I will not make a mess. I'm pouring 60, and then I will add 30 ml or 1 ounce of simple syrup. Okay. And since we double again, we need 180 milliliters or 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Two, 4, Jesus, and 6. I'm really making a mess today. Okay, so let's put some ice and we shake. Okay, so let's take, I don't have a hurricane glass, that is the closest one I have. And we try to fill it with crushed ice. Okay, I'm creating a mess as usual. Our strainer and we strain over the glass. Okay, and for decoration we will stack 2 pineapple fronds and a piece of dehydrated pineapple, and we're gonna add a straw as well. So that is how we make a shaken pina colada. I hope you're gonna like it. Okay, so let's now proceed and try the blended version. So inside the blender we will follow the same steps as the previous time. We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of white rum. Then we're gonna go with 2 ounces of coconut milk. And 1 ounce of simple syrup. giving us a total of 3 ounces. That should go for the 3 ounces of coconut cream or cream of coconut. And then we go with 180 milliliters or 6 ounces of pineapple juice. 2, 4, and 6. Oops. Okay, then we add crushed ice. You can use regular ice as well, but my blender is not that powerful, so with the crushed ice it works a little bit better. So let's try. Okay, so we take our hurricane glass and we pour. Okay, I guess I needed to add more ice. And the same, we're gonna try to decorate with pineapple fronds. Because I'm lacking the ice, they're diving in, and we go again with dehydrated pineapple. We add a straw as well, and that is how we make a blended piña colada. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.